welcome back guys. And if in your mobile you are facing that your screen is getting white all of the sudden, then what will you do? I'm going to tell you 3-4 things in this video. Just try to do this before going to the shop for repair. If there is any software issue, it should solve, it should not come. After doing the things I wanted to tell you, I will tell you in this video. So just if you are experiencing the white screen, just long press the power button after for 5-10 seconds, and what will do, the phone will automatically restart. And after starting it, means you have to long press for 4 minutes also. 3-4 minutes means just try it. I think it should restart. And then you if it has restarted, just go to the setting and here search settings, in search find reset, and here reset all settings. Go reset all settings, security settings, language setting, account, personal data, and setting for downloaded. So just check that any special setting if you have done, just recollect it, and personal settings it will go. After that just try to use it. But before that, if you have downloaded recently any app, just uninstall it, or any update, just uninstall that update. So one thing also you can do, just go to this setting and activate developer mode. I have already made a video how to activate developer mode. So activate developer mode, go to the developer option, and here don't keep activity, just search it and just make sure it is on. Search don't keep activities, I think this should be on. Just try every activity as soon as the user leave it. And background process limit, it should be standard limit. And here one animation is there, animation scale, just find and make it to 0.5. I have already made point, just all three make it to 0.5. okay, and just go, and if any software update, just search for update, software update. Now go download and install. Here it will check if there is any, just try to download and install it. So if you have, my software is up to date. So but this is only this way, not any another way. This is the way how to how to update your phone software in Samsung mobile. So if you have done all these things, means resetting settings and apps and developer mode options, software update, and your phone is still getting white sometimes, just go to the repair shop for that. So this is what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the video, please do consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.